Hello student, this is Yashodhari. In this video, we learn to how to install the MongoDB for your ADBMS practicals. Okay, first you have to go to the browser and type MongoDB community server download. Click on the first link, we'll get the MongoDB server download. So click on this is a zip file and MSI file. Click on the download. Okay, it's take a time to download, and so you will get the shell file in a MongoDB shell. So here you have to need to download the shell file as well. So it is in a zip file. Okay. So for the MongoDB Compass, we started the download here, right? So in this it taking a new version only. So need to wait for until it complete the downloading. It's taking a 47 seconds left. Okay, so for MongoDB it is a your as per a subject or syllabus, it is for to run the uh, structured and unstructured databases. Means it's in a documented and you key value based data will be storing here. Okay, and a shell is a command prompt and need to type the commands to execute the your queries. Okay, it's done. Go to the shown file folder. Sorry, double click and click on next. Click on I accept the terms and license. Click on next. It's for complete. It is in a run service as a network server. Okay, it's a directory path is given. Click on next. Next, install. Okay, here you have to say yes. If your network speed is good, then it will take hardly 5 minutes. If your network is slow, then it takes some more time. Just wait for the completion of this installation MongoDB Compass. After that, you have to move to the same web browser and downloading the Mongo shell. Okay, it's done. You have to click on a finish. This is done for your Compass. Now go to the browser and click for the tools MongoDB shell. Click on the download. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, it's done. Click on show folder. Here we need to extract the files. So we have to extract here. Okay, click on a bin Mongo shell. Okay, this is how reinstalling the shell as well. This is your Mongo Compass and this is for your Mongo shell. Here I am demonstrating a few commands, like these are basic one. You want to know how many existing databases are there. So command name is show and type a DBS. The DBS is nothing but databases. Press enter. These are existing in a test collection. Okay. Now to create some collections. Here collection is nothing but your a data or a file. Okay, using a use command you have to followed by the your collection name. For example, I am taking a student as a collection, so click on the enter. The switch to DB student, switching to a database student. Here for next we need to insert some data. We will see in the our next video. Okay, thank you.